Hey guys, Zaman here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Windows 10 or 11 at an affordable price. As you know, Windows is one of the most popular operating system, but it can be quite expensive. But don't worry, you can get cheap Windows and MS Office keys from mykeysshop.com. It is an online store that allows you to buy various digital video game product keys and software including Windows 10, Windows 11, and of course you can get what you need here at very cheap price. For example, the price of the Windows 10 is just for $7.19 US. The link to this page is available in the video description. You can select your preferred product on mykeysshop.com, add the product to the cart and use PayPal to complete the transaction. So here you can see Windows 11 and MS Office 2021 bundle price. Windows 11 price for 5 PC, 3 PC, 2 PC or 1 PC. You can also get Windows 10 for 5 PC, 3 PC, 2 PC or 1 PC. And the good thing is you can get 55% discount if you use my coupon code. For example, I want to buy Windows 10 key. Click on it and then click on add to cart. In order for your purchase to be processed, you must enter your email address and your name. And click on continue. Here you need to enter the coupon code to get 55% off FAK188. The coupon code is also mentioned in the video description. Then you can make payment by choosing PayPal. You will be directed to your PayPal account. After a successful payment is made, you will receive the keys very simply and quickly through the email you provided. If you face any issue during the checkout or installation process, you are only an email away from support. The company offers 24/7 professional technical support, lifetime after sale service and a money back guarantee. So here I have received the Windows 10 key. So now let me show you how you can activate the window. To enter the product key, select the Start button, go to Settings and then click on Update and Security, Activation and click on Enter Product Key. And that's it, Windows is activated. Now you can run Windows 10 on your computer smoothly. It's easy to buy Windows 10 key on mykeysshop.com, right? The link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.